Introducing LaserPecker LP5. The most capable and lightest dual laser engraver in its class. A 2-in-1 powerhouse, featuring both a 20-watt fiber laser and a 20-watt diode laser. LP5 can engrave on almost all materials, from soft wood to rigid metal and everything in between. The built-in camera ensures highly accurate filling and consistent engraving results. Ensuring highly accurate and consistent engraving results. Batch processing has never been easier, significantly enhancing your overall creation productivity. Available in both a safety enclosure version and a portable version. It delivers industrial-grade speed at 10,000 millimeters per second, coupled with incredible engraving capabilities. With deep engraving, 3D grayscale embossing, you can produce more intricate designs and patterns. Effortlessly manage your project with the slide extension, which allows for a bigger engraving area to meet all your needs. And that's not all. LP5 also offers ultra-precise metal cutting. Cutting wood up to 20 millimeters thick, acrylic up to 15 millimeters, and metal up to 1 millimeter. Imagine the beautiful custom creations you can produce with this level of versatility and control. The LDS software is easy to use, yet richly feature-packed. You'll have a blast experimenting with captivating color engraving. And LP5 works with the LaserPecker air purifier, so you can breathe easy while you're bringing your creative visions to life. Irregular shapes? Yes. With a rotary extension, all kinds of shapes can be engraved easily and start monetizing your creativity. Weighing just 6.02 kilograms, it's an ideal companion for any creators. Magic happens on retail businesses. Elevate shopping experience and delight customers like never before. With 3 simple steps: design, preview, and engrave. LP5 allows shoppers to transform generic products into personalized masterpieces in the blink of an eye. With variable text feature, LP5 delivers dynamic content in batches at ease and saves your time from each repeated jobs. So why wait? Get your hands on the LaserPecker LP5 today. The smart 20-watt fiber and diode laser engraver that's here to redefine your creative journey.